Pass your real estate exam with PrepAgent.com. Remember, keep it concise and keep it simple. When you tell somebody where a property is, you typically give them an address. But what if there is no address? What if there are no streets? The government survey system is a federal land survey system that has been applied to most of the land added to the United States since the system was adopted in 1785. A little while ago. There was no Google Maps back then. Here's how it works. It starts by identifying reference lines, an east-west line called the baseline and a north-south line called the principal meridian. Lines are then drawn about every 6 miles parallel to the meridian and the baseline. The east-west lines are referred to as township lines, and the north-south lines are range lines. By nature of the lines being drawn 6 miles on each side, you now have 36 square miles, which makes up the townships. So a township is identified by specifying how many townships it is north or south of the baseline and how many range it is east or west of that principal meridian. For example, a legal description might describe a township as Township 4 North, Range 5 West. But even if you identify that little area, 36 square miles is still a pretty large area. Thus, next comes the sections. A township is divided into 36 sections. Remember, a township is 36 square miles. There are 36 sections, so that means each section is 1 square mile. Each square mile section is numbered consecutively. However, you got to realize it is numbered starting with section 1 in the northeast corner of the township, and then it goes back and forth, kind of swerving like a snake, ending with section 36 at the southeast corner of the township. So the legal description can identify the relevant square mile section simply by the section's number within the identified township. So for example, now we can narrow it down by looking at section 9 here in this township. Now we will use fractional descriptions. For example, we will say the northwest quarter of section 9, the southwest half of the northwest corner of section 9, and you'll keep on going until you identify that exact spot of land. Putting these elements of description together, a simple legal description using the government survey system might go like this. The south half of the northwest quarter of section 6, township 12, range 71, west of the principal meridian. You notice when we read the description, we started with the more specific information and worked up to the more general, which is really not that much different from the mail you get. It starts with your name, then the address, and then goes city, and then state. It ends with a more general element. For more great information to get past your real estate exam, remember, go to PrepAgent.com.